Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can import products to Shopify from other stores. So this could be your store, or it could be a Shopify store, or it could be another website. You can import products from anywhere. Okay, so what you guys need first, for example, if you have two stores, okay, and you want to import the same products to your second store, okay, you want to import products from your first store to your second store. This will work if you want to import products, for example, from someone. You see a product on Shopify and you want to import it to your own Shopify store. You can do that. For example, I'm going to show you guys an example. This product, by the way, this process is free. You don't have to pay for any subscription or anything like that. So as you can see, this is this product. I want to import this product to my store. Okay, now what you need, guys, you just need to open the store that you want to import this product to. Okay, this is the store that I want to import this product to. Okay, now what you guys need to do, you just need to click on settings at the very bottom left. Like I said, you can do the same steps if you are using any website, okay, any e-commerce website. It could be Shopify. You just need to open that page. You just need to open the product page, as you can see, and then follow the steps. You can also import products from Amazon, like I said, anywhere. Now you want to open settings, like I said, and click on apps and sales channels, and then click on Shopify App Store in the top right. And you want to download an app. It's called Robo. Okay, sorry, it's not Robo, it's Robo. This is the app. Okay, now it says here open because I already downloaded it. But what I'm going to delete it right now, and I will show you guys how you can download it. Okay, now it will say for me now install. Okay, I'm going to reload the page. I'm going to search for it again, Robo. Okay, for you just need to click on install and again install, and that's it. And then it will open, like the app will be opened like this. Click on install. After that, you want to download this extension. Just click on get extension here, and then you want to click on add to Chrome. Click again add extension. Okay, after that you want to click on where it says your extensions, this icon, and then pin it. Okay, click on this icon. Now as you can see the extension at the top. Now what you need to do, guys, you just need to open any product page, like it could be from Shopify, from Amazon, and you just need to click on that extension in the top and click on add to Shopify. It will take you directly, guys, to this page. Here you can edit if there is a mistake. As you can see, it says here, with consistently changing e-commerce sites, the product data imported may not be accurate. Okay, so just verify everything is correct. So for example, I'm going to verify this. This is the product. You just need to click on select all images, as you can see here. Make sure you click on select all images. Import. If you click on import now and click on add product to Shopify, this product will be imported to your Shopify store. You just need to wait a few seconds and this exact product is going to be imported to your Shopify store. Now if you go to your Shopify and if you click on products, you will find this exact product on your Shopify. You just need to wait for it. As you can see, just give it a few seconds and you will find that exact product on Shopify. So you can do the same steps on any e-commerce like if you want to import products, for example, from Alibaba, you can do that. Okay, just need to go to the product page and then click on the extension at the top, click on add to Shopify, and the product will be added to your own Shopify. As you can see, it says here product imported successfully. If you click on view, you will find it. I'm going to do that right now. Okay, as you can see, the product is imported successfully. If you click on view, you will find the product. As you can see, I hope this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.